If you struggle to make money online, I'm going to show you the best and fastest way you can earn your first cash right now. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's get started here. So basically, I'm on Skool, but before we jump into this platform, you have basically two ways to get customers, right? You have your social media and you can have customer organically or with like paid strategies you can use to find customers so you can make some sales. We are going to talk about the two strategies. The first one, organic way. You can go on Instagram, for example, Facebook, and reach out to people manually, directly, but it's a bit random. You don't really know if the person is really interested in buying your product. So this is like a little bit harder than using the pay strategies. And in pay strategy, of course, you have like all the advertisement you can find on Facebook, Instagram, and all other platforms. But this is not exactly what I wanted to talk about because with those strategies, you are not having the audience for yourself, right? Instagram or Facebook show your ads to a specific person, but that person is not necessarily following you. With the new strategies that nobody talk about here and that we are going to explore here in this video, you will be able to earn the audience so you can make sales over and over and over again. So if you are basically starting from scratch, you have no money, I recommend you to do a ton of outreach. Outreach is basically going on Instagram, like Facebook or other platform with a professional profile and yeah, providing your services to different people. Now we are not going to explore these strategies here. What I wanted to talk about is actually going into community, and community of entrepreneur you can find is on Skool. So Skool.com, this is the platform here. Let me show you. You can jump on this platform, right? Skool.com. I'm already in the community. So here basically you have every kind of community you can imagine, every kind of entrepreneur, any niche. So a niche is basically a topic that people love and want to learn more about. Every niche, any like subject you can find on Skool, and people interested in that topic will be in the community, right? So let's say you want to teach people you want, for example, do Facebook ads for people. What you can do is you go here, discover community, and you search for Facebook ads. So let's go, Facebook ads. Here you go. You can immediately see a lot of free community here. So yeah, you have this first one. So let's just click the first one, right? Facebook Ad Success Academy. You click here. All you have to do is to join the group. And once you join the group, you are already access to the 71 member. So now you can jump on Skool and search for Facebook ads. Voila, you can find it. All you have to do is to click on the one you want. Let's say we click on the first one and we have this one here, this community of 71 people inside. So you join the group, and once you join the group, you will be able to have like all the feed with all the conversation and to talk to everybody inside, right? So I highly recommend you to create a Skool account, and then you can do that and search for anything you want. So let's say we want some copyright. Yeah, you have immediately another group here, 2.6K people inside. You jump on this group and yeah, you go inside. You have like the people interested in. If you're a copywriter, you will find a lot of people in the niche and you will be able to provide your services. I am myself inside a lot of group. Let me show you here. And that's exactly what I'm doing to find people, to find customers for my services. Let's start with, for example, this one here, Digital Wealth Academy. This is basically a course teaching people how to start an online business with social media. So those people need to build a following, and to build a following, so they have to create the content and everything. And I'm basically helping them to create the content and manage their social media, right? So I have access to all those people. To be honest, this group, I pay to have access to this group. You have paid community and free community. Of course, the paid community one are the best because people already invest in themselves. That means they are potential buyer for your services, and they are more serious on growing their business, right, than free community. But both can work. So I can jump on this community and start like DMing people and yeah, just having a chat to see what they are in their journey and providing my services. So one, I recommend you if you get started like on social media, you want, for example, help people manage their content and yeah, provide value about social media. You can jump on this course, which is very good. Another one you can do is the affiliate millionaire here. This is the pay one. Let me show the free one first. So there is basically two groups. One group, it's a course from Zach Crawford. You can see here. Let me show you the copy. Yeah, this is the sales page. And he teach people how to build a business online from scratch and become like a seven-figure earner, right? You can see here on this picture, different people making seven figure. And inside the group, you have, of course, access to 6.9K people who are ready to learn everything. So if you are able to provide any kind of services, it can be creating content for them, it can be writing their copy, or can be creating a funnel for them. You can sell your services inside this group because I'm sure that those people will need help at some part of their entrepreneurial journey, right? So feel free to check out the feed, the people writing here, so you will be able to provide like solution on their problem. This is the free group, right? You have 6.9K people to reach out, and the paid one, which is here, 4.4K people you can reach out as well. So here, my advice is you can, of course, DM people, all these people on the same day because you have some limit and everything. The best strategies will be to read the comment here, see what are the problem, and message people, maybe with your Instagram page or something like that, so you can, talk with them or ask them to DM you inside Skool. Like this, you will have access to more messages. This is the second one I wanted to show you, the affiliate millionaire community. You can join. This is the paid one. So if you want to join this, there is like more profile who are likely to buy your services. And the other one I wanted to share with you is here, the IG Manager School. Here it's like becoming an IG manager. Basically, you learn everything to create the content on social media, on IG, Instagram. So you learn creating content, posting content, the various strategy to grow the account. And yeah, there is a lot of people you can see here, 500 people already. And once you join, you can reach out to those people and do the same, right? Providing your services and make a lot of money. And I also wanted to show you the paid one, which is becoming also an ID manager, but this one is more, it's like a small group. You can have access with high profile entrepreneur here. So yes, basically what you need to do from today, select a platform to reach out to different community. Select, if you can't, if you have the little bit of money, invest in yourself, get access to like the paid community. And once you have access to the paid community, you have access to the people who are more likely to pay, to learn more, and to grow the business. And if you are able to have a skill, for me, it's about like creating content, managing account, and growing social media. But if you have another skill or copywriting, or let's say, yeah, creating a website or something like this, you will always be able to make money because you already have access to the audience who are very targeted, right? You are not sending random DMs. That's not the case. It's not like outreach in masses. Here, people know what they want, and if you're able to provide that to them, you will make a lot of money. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, so I will be providing skill like this and strategy like this, so you will be able to quit your job and start your entrepreneurial journey online.